Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Okay, y'all. So I'm coming back with some more information talking about the paper bead. All right. Now, for those of you who already make paper beads, awesome. Making paper beads, y'all already know it's an awesome thing. Paper beads have been out for so many years, okay? So many years. But I just discovered something that I did not put in my very last video that I showed y'all how to make a paper bead. So I'm going to go over just if you bear with me and give me a few minutes to talk to you and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. So basically, this is a paper bead that I did. And when you look at my paper bead, if you go to the top, see that right there? You can see where it is not even. Okay? It is not even. This side is okay, but the top, this part isn't. So basically what you want to do is you want to find yourself and get yourself some sandpaper or a file, and you want to just take and come here. Now for those of you who already know this, for those of you who make paper beads, you probably already know how to do this part. But then once you make your paper bead, you just come here and you take your sandpaper and you just file it down until it's flat. And the reason why you want to do this, okay, the reason why you want to do this is because when you go to connect this to add on your beads and stuff like that, you want the bead to fit nice and snug up against your paper bead, okay? And you want to do it on both sides so that when you put it on your whatever wire you decide to hook it on, or whether it's stretch cord or regular wire, depending on what it is that you're making, you want it to be nice and flat. So you take and you sand it down. You want to sand both sides down, okay? See how nice and smooth that is? And this is the finish that you pretty much want for your paper bead. Now, another thing that I decided that I wanted to do for mine, this is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I took my paper beads and I decided to paint the bottoms, because I just thought that painting the bottom would give it a whole different look. It pretty much completes it. Now, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You don't have to paint the bottom of your paper beads. But I decided that I wanted to paint mine, and I did. And I just think that it gave the paper beads itself more of a professional finish, okay? They look more polished, all right? And y'all, I am just so in love right now with making these. Like, I'll be on this kick for a while making paper beads, and then I'll just go off and go on to something else. But right now, I am enjoying this, okay? So I also want to show y'all something. A lot of people didn't really watch this video yesterday. And whenever I come to you all about with anything new, I come to share and I come to give ideas. And I think that this paper bead is an awesome idea, especially if you are looking for something new to add to your list of jewelry making. Now, I did do a video yesterday showcasing 2 paper pads, okay? And in this paper pad, It's so many different things in here that you can use to make and create paper beads with. Okay, you can use these pads for a number of different things, but definitely making paper beads. And the reason why I say that is because, for one, the texture of this paper is a nice, it has a really nice texture to it. It's not too thin and flimsy. It's just right for paper beads. So if you are looking, and like I said, I did purchase these from Dollar General for $5, and you get 25 sheets. Okay, so I just wanted to come to let y'all know that, because this was something that I did not include in my video when I showed y'all how to make paper beads. And whenever I do anything, I try to make sure that I give y'all all the information you need so that you can do things and be successful at it. Okay, I want y'all to be successful. All right, so this is another idea that you can take and you can use. And if you haven't seen how I made or created these, go and check that paper bead out. Now, the paper beads that I created I did not use this paper right here. I used another paper. So go and check it out if you haven't seen it. And please make sure that you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation. And of course, I am going to be making some things using these paper beads that I'm showing y'all. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all what I have created. So with that being said, thank y'all so very much for taking out the time to join me for these videos. I greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Okay, thank y'all, kings and queens, so very much. So y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and until my next upload, see ya.